Hey guys, back with another video for my addictive blogging channel. So in this video I will be talking about the Amazfit GTS 3 smartwatch, which is one of the premium segment smartwatches, and this watch has been entirely changed as one of the biggest updates have come in this watch since the beginning, and a lot of changes has happened in this watch feature wise, and a lot of bugs are also fixed. I think it has become one of the best premium segment smartwatches in the Amazfit lineup right now with this update. So we will see what are the changes that came with this update in this watch, and also what are the new features that are added along with the bug fixes and the things that we can do right now with the Amazfit GTS 3 smartwatch. So as always, this video will be a sick video guys, and if you are taken to shares, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So let's start. So let's see first the update version which you will be receiving in your watch to get all the features. So if we go to settings and if we go to the system and about option, you will get the update version or software version in there, which is 7.42.5.1. This is the version you need to update your watch, and for updating your watch you just need to come to Zap app, connect your watch. Once connected, you need to come to profile section. In the Amazfit GTS 3 you need to click, and you need to click on the system update option. You also can see here this update version is the same as I have shown in the watch. So after you have updated, you will get a lot of features. The first feature, major change which has been updated in this watch, is the addition of quick replies. So quick reply was not there with this Amazfit GTS 3, and quick replies are only available with the other third-party smartwatch apps like the Notify app, but now the quick reply can be configured from the Zap app itself. It is a really big update, and this update changes everything in this Amazfit GTS 3. So to get the quick replies, you just need to go to the profile section after you have connected your watch, and after you have gone to profile section, you have to come to Amazfit GTS 3 and then notifications and reminders. Here, once you are going to the app alerts, you will see the option of fast reply management. So this is the option you need to go, and once you are in there, you can configure the quick reply according to your choice. So here you can edit or add quick replies. So I have added this type of quick replies. You can add more if you want. So let's add a quick reply like subscribe to addicted blogging. So once you have added the quick reply, you just need to click on save, and once you have saved it, you just need to come to the option of WhatsApp, and once you have saved, you just need to enable the app in which you will give the quick reply. So I have enabled the WhatsApp notifications up there. So once enabled, you will see that the WhatsApp will be there in the app list with this green icon ticked. So that means I will receive the WhatsApp notifications. So now let's see how the quick reply works. So whenever I will receive a message in my WhatsApp, I will get the notification on my Amazfit GTS 3 also, and you can see that the notification will be received on my watch. So once I have received the notification, you will see there will be other options also which I can use to reply in this notification. So first option is reply, second option is emoji, and third option is delete. So once I click on reply, I will get all the quick replies which I have set. So I have just now set the quick reply subscribe to addicted blogging. So let's send this quick reply and see whether I am receiving or not. So I just need to tap on that, and you can see I am receiving the quick reply instantly from the watch, which is really great. And more options are added. So whenever I will receive a notification, I will also get the option of emoji. That means right now all the emojis which are there for Google are supported in the Amazfit GTS 3 smartwatch, which changes the entire game, because previously there are very limited emojis supported for this watch, and some emojis are not even visible in the notifications. So right now all emojis are supported, most of the emojis are supported, you can say, and you can also control the emojis and replies via this sweet little crown which is there in this watch. So whichever emoji you want to send, you just need to tap on this, and you can send a lot of them also. And just click on this tick sign and you will see all the emojis will be sent to the person, which is really great. And another option is also there, which is the delete option. So you can just delete this notification from the watch. So first of all, the quick reply option has been added in this watch, which is a great update and one of the biggest update you can say. And the second thing which is changed in this watch is the notification icons. So notification icons were not there previously, but right now the notification icons are visible. So you can see this is WhatsApp notification, so I am getting the WhatsApp visibility in there, and more notification icons are added in this watch. So you will be able to identify which notifications or which app notification you have received in this watch with the icons up there. So these are the two most important things which are added in this watch. Apart from this, it has also improved the smart alarm logic. So the alarm in this watch also has the option of smart alarm, which is a really great feature. So the smart alarm is nothing but it will detect whenever it will be the best time to wake you up 30 minutes prior to the alarm and wake you up at that time. So if you have set an alarm at 7:30 a.m. and if you have turned on the smart alarm, it will detect the best time to wake you up from 7 to 7:30 a.m. and wake you up at that time. So this feature has been there in the Amazfit GTS 3 smartwatch, but they have improved the logic. So now it can detect your light sleep more accurately and wake you up at the correct time, you can say. And also you will see that we will be getting the option of rejecting calls via SMS. So for that we just need to come to notification, incoming calls, and here in the auto SMS replies you will see that we can manage the replies. Is similar to quick reply, and in here we just can reject the call and reply via SMS at the same time, which is really great because we want to notify the user who is calling us that we are busy or we are in a meeting, something like that. So these are the updates which has been added, and you can say the features which has been added. Apart from that, there are a lot of bug fixes and improvements also. The watch feels smooth right now, lot smoother than previous times, and you can see that many of the bugs like the workout modes and all. So previously one bug was there whenever we used to start the workout, and once the workout is started, if we go to the previous screen, the workout can get stopped, and it was there according to the people who are watching my videos, but right now it has been fixed. I don't face such problems. And also one bug I noticed previously is the GPS bug. So whenever I was working out, it will give me notification that the GPS is finding or locating your location. So that I am not getting right now, so it has been also improved. So day by day the watch is improving, and Amazfit is taking care of the Amazfit watches which are in their line, and this is one of the premium watches in this segment. So obviously they are working to make it better day by day. So obviously more updates will come, and whatever the issues are there, that will also be fixed in coming updates. That's it guys, I just wanted to tell you that these are the features that are added with the latest update in this watch, and definitely a lot has been changed, and also some of the bugs are fixed with this update. So I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. Thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.